What's happening, folks? Dominoes 7 here. Alright. So earlier today I was at church, Okay, so if y'all watch my live stream, it was Men's Day, So in the middle of my show, I was having Wi-Fi problems, So that video is gonna stay up, So I'm not gonna take that live stream down that I did halfway, So okay, here we go. Alright, so I want to tell y'all though, earlier today, when I was doing that live stream and stuff like that, my phone started, should I say my Wi-Fi was kind of tripping a little bit, Okay, so I almost said the F word in church, it almost slipped out. I was so darn frustrated. I had to get some kind of code to put in for the Wi-Fi, So actually, I got the code, and guess what? It worked, and then the darn thing shut down on me, So the thing shut down on me and stuff like that, It shut down on me, and then all of a sudden, I almost said the F word, I thought I wasn't gonna finish with it, I really need to do this for memories, If any one of y'all been watching my videos since day one, y'all know how I do it, So anyway, as I was saying, folks, by me saying I'm on the house and stuff like that, got my own place and stuff like that. So anyway, Domino 7 can never be a jerk unless somebody make a jerk out of me, Okay. I'm not like my punk ass brother Brandon, having them thugs in and out of my house like that, Okay. So on the serious side though, I don't have time for no hoodlums in and out of my house like that, So this ain't no gangster house, So like they say, all thugs hang together. That's not good, That's definitely not good, Okay. So as I was saying though, when thugs hang in one spot and stuff like that, I ain't know what the hell he was doing, In my house, doing God knows what and stuff like that. And talking about, oh, I'm helping you, man. I've been there for you since day one. Mama died, and Mama wanted us to stick together. Well, I hate to say this, but my mama wasn't resting. She really wasn't resting. You feel me? Okay. So on the serious side though, if my mama really wanted us to stick together, she would have told me before she passed, or she would have told Brandon before she died, take care of Brian and Brock, But on the serious side though, before my mom passed though, my mom was telling my auntie Janice, take care of Brock, So on the serious side though, I wish she would have told me that, Yeah, that would have been bad if I let my other family members to look out for us and stuff like that. We would have lost this house. I would have lost my benefits too. If I would have let the wrong kind of people take over my house and stuff like that. Okay. So in case some of y'all know and stuff like that, Nala was helping out over here, So the problem is my auntie Janice and them plotted to get rid of her, Was I was mad about that? Oh hell yes. That's when I stopped dealing with them people, But to me, I want to let y'all know something. You do her wrong. That if you hate Nala, then you hate Domino 7. You hear me? So simple as that. You hear me? If you hate her, then you hate Domino 7. Okay? But technically, I don't mind people hating Domino 7. I got a lot of haters out there. I even have some viewers that hate Domino 7. One person comment on my video calling me a whack job and a douchebag and stuff like that, you know. Okay? Well, let me tell y'all something. I could be mean sometime. I could be harsh sometime, you know. It all depends on how you treat Domino 7, you know. Long as you don't treat Domino 7 bad, but if you talk to Domino 7 in a kind of way, you know. So, you know, that's it, you know. Like I said, Nala's my best friend, you know. So like I said, she my best friend. But if anybody hate her, that mean you hate Domino 7, you know. Okay, I'll always be there for her, you know. Yeah, simple as that. Like I said, when Domino 7 pinky swear, that's a promise that Domino 7 can't break. You dig? Yeah, I mean, thank God we didn't end our friendship, you know. So on the serious side though, we almost ended our friendship because I was being a jerk kinda, you know. Okay, yeah, I was being a little jerk, you know. So as I was saying though, at least I done caught myself, you know, before things got out of hand, you know. Sometimes I put my foot in my mouth, you know. Sometimes I do put my foot in my mouth, you know. But sometimes I'm right about things, sometimes I'm wrong about things. You know, everybody have their days, you know. When misunderstandings kick out and stuff like that, when misunderstandings kick out and stuff like that, then your friendships fail, relationships fail and stuff like that, you know. So on the serious side though, you gotta be careful what you say to people, especially behind their backs, you know, because you know I don't like hurting people's feelings, you know. I make somebody cry, it kind of make me cry, you know. So that's how it is, you know. Okay, so like I said, so sometimes I act jerky when I think somebody screwing me over, or misusing me and stuff like that, like my family and stuff like that, you know. But anyway, I do need to be careful what I'm saying, you know what I mean. I really do need to be careful what I say when I do my shows, talking to people and stuff like that, because I don't know who's watching, you know. So on the serious side, I don't know who's watching, I don't know who's listening and stuff like that. So somebody could be lurking over my shoulder or lurking about, listening to what I'm saying and stuff like that. So sometimes I say shit out of anger, you know. That's how I am. When I'm mad about something, or if I'm mad at somebody and stuff like that, I say shit out of anger, you know. So the thing is that's how I am though. Well, just like I was mad at my mama, you know. So anyway, I was mad at my mama because when my mama put Nala out of the house, you know. So anyway, on that part though, I was just upset, you know. Depressed in my own room, wondering this, wondering that and stuff like that, you know. And then last year on my birthday, I was being a jerk. I was in this room all day, just sitting here doing nothing. My cousin Macy was in here trying to take over my house, telling her mama stuff, what's going on in my house, talking behind our backs and stuff like that, you know. Talking about, I'm doing this, I'm doing that and stuff like that. Oh my God, you know. And then my mama was telling Macy, "Ooh, I hate that girl so much." I mean, I'm like, Lord have mercy. Why did she hate her so much? You know? Unless she was being brainwashed by my auntie and stuff like that, you know? So my auntie was saying that I was giving those females money and stuff like that. That ain't true, you know? That was the old me, you know? That was definitely the old me, you know? I used to give girls money a long time ago, But guess what? I ain't like that no more, you know? Just like this girl Tahira, she appeared on my show. I also filmed her with my camera, you know? So on that note though, I was saying though that I was kind of upset for seeing her, you know. The reason why I was mad because she threatened my life, you know. She asked me for 50 cents. Every time she would see me, she would ask me for money, trying to get money out of me and stuff like that, you know. And then when I told her I don't have none, then she said she was gonna get booger for me. That's them dudes from the Saint Bernard, you know. So some dude from the Saint Bernard project. If y'all saw this other guy YouTube that he filmed in the Saint Bernard long ago when YouTube started. You know, YouTube started in February of 2005, and I didn't even know. You know, so on the serious side though, I'm just here doing my thing. You know, so. Unlike my oldest brother, you know, by smoking weed and stuff like that. So he have an Instagram, so he blocked me on Instagram though, because I put him out, you know. So the thing is though, I was mad because he was harassing Nala and stuff like that, and he was stalking on Instagram, you know. I was so freaking mad that he harassed on Instagram and stuff like that, you know. Oh yeah, I'm putting it out there. I'm letting the whole world know that my own brother was stalking somebody, and they want to tell me that I'm stalking somebody. And you know, last year, every day he was telling me I was stalking somebody. How the hell I was stalking somebody, and I don't bother people like that, you know. I don't do that stuff. No. Hell no, bruh. That's not our Dominoes 7 rule, you know. Cause I was stalked before, you know. So on the serious side though, I don't get the police involved when it comes to a dude doing that. I take matters in my own hands, you know. So, well, on the serious side, I guess I can't take matters in my own hands, you know. So on that note, that's it, you know. So anyway, about to go do a little something. So I guess I'm gonna talk to y'all another time, okay? All right.